Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup fraud alerts and identity protection with LifeLock detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup fraud alerts and set up identity protection with LifeLock, start by visiting the LifeLock website. Select the appropriate plan that suits your needs. Once you choose a plan, click on the Get Started button. Create your account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Next, provide personal information, including your full name, address, and date of birth. This information will help LifeLock in monitoring your identity effectively. Continue by entering payment information for your selected plan. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. After successful payment, access your LifeLock dashboard. Navigate to the Fraud Alerts section within the dashboard. Click on Add Fraud Alerts to begin the process. LifeLock will guide you through setting up alerts for your credit reports. Choose the duration for which you wish the alerts to remain active. Confirm your selection and submit the information. LifeLock will then notify the major credit bureaus about your fraud alerts. You will receive updates regarding any suspicious activity on your accounts. To enhance your identity protection further, explore additional features in your dashboard. These features may include credit monitoring, dark web monitoring, and personalized alerts. Activate the features you find most important for your security. Make sure to periodically check your LifeLock account for updates. LifeLock's mobile app can also provide on-the-go access to your identity protection. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in with your LifeLock credentials to stay informed about your identity status. Keep your contact information updated to receive timely alerts from LifeLock. Review all alerts promptly to act against any unauthorized actions. Stay vigilant and regularly monitor your financial accounts for any changes. Engaging in proactive measures will optimize your identity protection with LifeLock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.